This is the Iron Trader TGIF. Today, as usual, we're going to take a look here at the crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have the crude oil. This is just a daily chart. All right, so yesterday what we had is a big red dog candle where it came right on down, faked everyone out, and then just rallied up higher. All right, so what we have here today is we have a nice green candle so far with a higher high. Now, what we need to do is we want to watch the key upside levels. So we want to go to these candles here. Okay, this one here is sitting at 70.38. Then you have a 71.31, 71.67. What we want to do is we want to always look here to the bottom of these candles right here. Okay, so this one here is sitting at 70.08, and then we want to look to this candle right here. This is sitting at 72.25. That would be your upside target. See how nicely it lines up here with this 8 SMA sitting at 72.55. So as these come down, this is your support. And now when you go back up, these are all your key resistance levels here. Okay, so those are your targets, and it would be great to close them up on a closing basis if the price can close above. Now, the key level here on this upside here is going to be this 8 SMA. Okay, I pointed out these bear flags. See how it went? Right into the SMA. See, another bear flag, right into that 8 SMA, and it can't get through. So now the question is, can this candle here break above this key level here at 72.56? Now, if it can, on a closing basis, that's the key. Then we want to look here to this 50 SMA here, sitting at a 75.59. Then you want to look here at this 100-day at 76.60. And then we want to look here at 77.26. Then obviously your 81.60, and then your retest at 83.53. Now, if we look here like on a weekly and a monthly chart here, the key levels held. Okay, so it went right on down, a little bit below what this candle was here that we were looking for, that we were actually trading against at 64.36. And it came down here, but it did not last about 10 seconds on the day after market. It was just a really good trade to get rid of the short and go long. But if you notice here now we're above this key support level here, 66.91. That's the level that you want to watch there on the downside. Then obviously you want to watch the retest of 63.64. And then you want to this key level right here. This is your 50 SMA here on your monthly. That's sitting at 66 flat. Now, the price really needs to get back above this key 200 SMA here on your monthly chart. That's sitting right at 72.69. You see how it all did it before. The candles come down, but this is a monthly chart, so it's not going to be like overnight. But what we need to do is have a close above that. Then we have a good shot of taking this price way back up and maybe even go back up to the retest here. Now, again, watch this key 8 SMA here, okay? Because see how the price, it follows up. But when it goes down, very difficult there to get through. But once it closes above, then it can rally right on up. So what we want to do today is just watch, your low here today, 68.48. Okay, you want to watch this low here, 67.95, and obviously the 200 SMA here, this 50 SMA here on your monthly chart, and then your retest area here on your downside, and then your key level here is 72.56 here on your upside. All right, here we have the natural gas. Doesn't look like it's really doing a whole lot of anything again. Just a big sideways action. So you had 4 red days of candles right there. See, that's not good. So what we want to do for resistance here level here is on this daily chart here, we want to look here at the your 8-day SMA here. You want to look here right there. Your 8 SMA here sitting at 2.24. You want to look at your 21-day, 2.207, and you want to look at this 50-day at 2.302. Now, what we want to do, though, is you're trading on the downside against this key level right here. This is 1.946. If this closes below this, then we have a ways to drop all the way down. Actually, it could go all the way down to 1.44. But let's not worry about that now, because right here what we have is a good sideways basing pattern, which is still intact. if you look at the price channels here, you got still got 1.946 on the bottom and 2.529 on the top. There's just not much going on. It's just a sideways action. I'm still just scalping the basically I have been just scalping the cold KOLD on the short side here and waiting to scalp the boil here on the long side. I'll have more on crude oil and natural gas here in more detail here after the pit close here at 2:30. Thanks for watching.